How to use Cash App referral code. So if you have a referral code, if you want to use it, so what you can do is firstly open up your Cash App, log into your Cash App account, and once you've logged into your Cash App account, once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile, which is on your top right there. Tap the profile, and from there choose the option to enter a referral, something like this. So select the enter referral code from your profile and then enter the code, the unique code that's given to you that you got. And once you have done that, you have to just link your debit card and make a minimum transaction of like $5 to anyone within 14 days, and then you will be able to get some bonus, so which is some sort of cash for you. You'll get that once you complete it. And if you want to share your referral code, then go to your profile, click on your profile again on your top right, select invite friends option. So tap on the invite friends option, and now it will give you a unique link or a code. You'll get a code something like this, which you can now share with your friends, and then your friends might just have to use this referral code and enter it and make a transaction of minimum $5 within 14 days, and you both will be able to get the money or the bonus amount. And that's how you actually use it to get some bonus cash.